Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you something that learner drivers often do, which is quite dangerous, and it's very simple to get rid of. So let's get the car going and let's show you what this is. It's simply about the way that people come out of junctions. Now I've made many videos like this before about emerging. It's what we call emerging, when you emerge from one road to another. But I'm going to move in a moment when this lorry's gone. Good example there of the blind spot. At the end of the road, what people often do is imagine them at the end of the road now, but when they come out, they do just a clutch on its own, and they go like this, and then they don't do any gas at all. It's not just not doing the gas, they go like this, and they crawl, and crawl, and crawl, and they've just joined your main road and they're crawling like that. It's very important that when you go, you get used to just going. It should be like this: mirror signal, clutch, brake, steer, gear if you need to. But when you go, gas, clutch, go, gas, go, 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 second, go, 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 three. That's how you should come out of a junction. You shouldn't creep and crawl out like a lot of learners do. If you crawl out, it's just dangerous, because I see this all the time. I'm going to pull up after this truck, and I'm going to show you what I mean by this. So I'll pull up here, and I'm going to move off now very, very slowly. This is what learners often do. So imagine you're on a busy road. This isn't that busy, but imagine it's busier. People look around and they move off, and there's a car coming down the road way back. There isn't, but imagine there is. And they do this. It's too late, you've already been hit. The car behind's blasting the horn, flashing the lights saying get out of the way. It's really important when you go, you've got to go for it. Now I've done a video on moving off quicker, and I'll point out again, I'll stress what I said in that video. I'm not some boy racer, I don't go flying around. This isn't about driving fast, it's about driving at an appropriate speed. If you drive around this area in South Birmingham, or any part of Birmingham for that matter, you are not going to get away with just creeping and creeping and crawling. I'm not saying you've got to go flying up the road, but when you move off, gas, clutch, go. Once you've got going, gas, get the gas on, go, 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 two. Go, 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 move, get on with it, get to third. And people always say the same thing. When I teach learners that, do you know what they always say? But what if I do that on my test? What the examiner like that? That's what you're supposed to show. Like, examiners are impressed by confident drivers. They don't want to see someone doing this. You're on your driving test, you move off like this. What's going on? Do you think that's going to impress them? Right? Do you honestly think they're going to be impressed by a wimp who's driving down the road at 5 miles an hour? You've got to check around, get on with it, go. Gas, clutch, go. Go, 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 go. Second, go, 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 go. Get up. Third. I'm not going fast, there's no one around. There's no danger in doing that. You must be positive when you drive. If you are not positive, you won't get anywhere. Let's do this one, end of the road left. Mirror signal, brake, clutch, steer, leave gear, doesn't matter. Roll, then gear. The view's quite poor, so I'll get as good a view as I can. And then go, get out of the way, get up second, check the mirror. There's a van there, mirror signal. Third, get around, it's bending third, it's fine. It's quite an open corner. You must drive in a positive way, okay? Don't be one of these people who just moves off in first gear and then it takes you 10 seconds before you press the gas pedal. You should be accelerating away, driving positively, not racing away. When I'm saying go, 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 it's because if you say that to people, they sometimes go at a decent speed. You can't crawl out from corners. Imagine someone comes out from here now. It's no good them crawling out, limping down the road, limp, limp, limp. Good driving is about good driving, not about being slow. There's all this stuff about slow is safe. Slow isn't safe, slow is slow. Safe is safe. So I teach safe driving, not slow driving. And a lot of instructors are the same. People have this idea that all driving instructors do is drive around saying to people, slow down, be slow. It's not like that at all. That is not what we teach people. We teach people to be positive, get on with it, put your foot down, get up to the limit when it's safe to do so. We're not saying break the law. We haven't broken any law. I'm not breaking any speed limits. I'm just accelerating quicker because I need to get out of the way. So that is a great tip. If you want to be a good driver, right from the very beginning, get used to moving off with some pace. Don't crawl away and crawl and limp down the road. Get on with it if it's safe to do so. Of course, if you're moving off on a busy housing area and there are kids around and parked cars and you can't see anything, then you don't do it. But if you're coming out of a road like these side roads here, don't be afraid to put your foot down and get on with it. Because you know what I've heard examiners say at the end of tests quite often to pupils of mine? That was a really good positive drive. They use the word positive because they don't want to see you limping down the road doing 10 miles an hour in first gear. That isn't safe, it's just slow. Slow isn't safe, safe is safe. Check out these other videos on the screen now. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.